Hi, welcome back. This is Adventures with Dr. Joe. This is my Kubota BH92 backhoe, and I wanted to add those rubber pads to the stabilizing feet at the end of these stabilizing bars because I'm keeping it inside on a concrete floor. It's got an epoxy coating. I didn't want to mar it up too much, so I bought some of those Kubota rubber pads from Messick, which is a very well-known distributor. Let's take a look at those rubber pads. So this is the box. Here's the information. And by the way, when you order these, you need to get two, one for each side, rear stabilizing flip pads. And they're kind of pricey. This was $345 for two of them. We'll see if it's worth it. And here they are. Yeah, it's worth it. Look at these things. Unbelievably heavy duty. A steel bracket all the way around it. Those through bolts. 4 pieces of probably reinforced tire material. Really strong. And then, of course, we got those 4 nuts to secure it. The nuts that are used to secure this are lock nuts. They have a little indentation on the side. They're gonna grip the bolt or oh, there you go. Pretty simple install. Man, easy to install, and I guess if you ever wanted to take them off, it'd be a piece of cake. So just crank down these lock nuts and we're good to go. So again, 2 on each foot, which is interesting because it allows you still to flip the foot over, because that's one option sometimes, and it still allows you to do that. I was wondering if that would prevent that, but no. By having 2 individual pieces per foot, you can then flip it over. Test. Okay, it stopped. So these are getting a little tight, so I got a little bit more leverage. I cleaned the bases of these off first with a wire brush. If these started to rotate, that would be bad. But so far, they're good. So we'll put the other one on in just a second. You can see on this side, the holes don't perfectly line up, but they're close enough. I don't think that'll be an issue. So now I wonder if one should go on one side and one should go on the other, but I don't think so. The other set was a little bit off as well. One side fit perfectly, the other was a little tight, so they're basically the same, and then I decided the heck with it. Use some air power, and that cranked these things on there really nicely. This side was a little tight. These are 17mm nuts. Okay, that's it. Watch, it'll bring it in. Okay, that's it. Okay, there we've installed those foot pads on the stabilizing feet. They're very heavy duty, 17mm locking nut. They're there for good. They're very impressive. I think they're going to do really well for me. Yeah, so occasionally I need to set that down. I didn't want to scratch up the epoxy floor, and I think those will help. If this was helpful, please click thumbs up. Consider subscribing. Thank you.